Welcome to my video. Today I will show you a program in Python for the given problem search. Problem number 1, linear search, policeman in a thief. And you are given a grid of size n times n that has the following specification. Each cell is a grid that contains either a policeman or a thief. A policeman can only catch a thief if both are in the same row. Each policeman can only catch one thief. A policeman cannot catch a thief who is more than k units away from a policeman. So, ayan po. The first function is to define a function to search and count the total number of thief caught. And the next function is to declare a variable. And next is iterate rows in matrix. Next is iterate cells in each row. And next function is to check each of the side of the thief cell if there is a police nearby within capture range. If there is, the thief is captured. And next is check the left side. And the next is remove the police from the cell when it caught a thief. And next is to check the right side. And next is to remove police from the cell when it caught a thief. And the next function is to get the input from the user, flag error for incorrect input. So ayan po. In this function, is used to ask the user an input, test cases, and once na nag-input po siya ng invalid number, integer, piprint po yung please input an integer. So, next po is n is equal to number of rows in columns, and k is equal to police capture range. And next is nag-declare po ng matrix to store each row. And next po is check if cells have proper input method, and append row to a matrix and print number of thief count. So, yan po. Let's try to run the program. Let's put 5 cases, and number of rows in spaces is 1. And please input a police P and thief is T. And row 1 is P T space P. T P space T. So, kailangan po input natin is may space para po the number of thief caught is 3. And in the case 2 naman po is input tayo ng 3 space 1. So, yun po sa row 1 is T space T space P space P space T space P. And row 2 is space P P T T T T. And sa row 3 is P T P T P P T. And then enter. Next row is row 4 T P T P T P. Enter. Next, in row 5 T space P space P space T space T space P. In row 6 and P P P T T. So ayan. there are 13 number of diff count. And sa case 3 naman po is input po tayo ng 5 space in 2, and the row 1 is T, P, T, T. T, T, P, T, P, P. So, row 3 is P space P space T space T space T. Enter. And then, sa row 4 is T, T, P, T. And sa row 5 is T, P, T, P, T. And then, enter. So, there are 10 number of tips count in case 3. So, the number of case 4, 6, and sa row 1, T space T, 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 P, P, P. Row 2 is PT, PT, TP. And row 3 is T, TP, P, T, T. And sa row 4 is P, T, P, 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 T. And sa row 5 is P, T, either T, 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 P, P, T. And sa row 6 is T, T, P, P, T, P. Enter. So, there are 19 numbers of tip count in case 4. So, sa case 5 naman is there are input po tayo ng 9 and 1. And row 1 is T, 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 P, 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 T, P, T. And sa row 2 is T, P, T, P, T, P, T, P, T. Enter. And then, sa row 3, P space 2, T, P space T, P, T, P, T, P. And then, sa row 4 is P, P, T, T, P, P. And T, T, P. And sa row 5 is T, T, P, 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 T, T, T. And then sa row 6 is P, T, T, P, P, T, T, P, P. Row 7 is P, T, P, T, T, P, P, T, T. Enter. And sa row 8 is T, 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 P, T, T, T. And sa row 9, the last row is PT, PP, TT, PPT. So, ayan. There are 31 numbers of teeth. Count. So, ayan. So, dun naman po tayo sa problem number 2, which is binary search in road to playoff. So, ito po yung pangalawang search problem. In a football championship, and teams are competing against each other. On the league stage, the current number of points of each team are x1, x2, x3, xn, and m days of ledge are remaining on each day. K team wins, and each of the winning team points is increment by 1. So, top B means top B teams will qualify to the playoff if the championship. In the championship, official of the tournament want to how many teams have a non-zero probability of making it to the playoff. Note, if the points of the certain team are equal, any of the teams can qualify for a playoffs, and each team has equal probability. The input format. The first line contains an integer t denoting the number of the test cases for each test case. And next is the first line contain 4 space separate integer m, n, and k and b. The second line contains n space separated integer, the x1 and x sub 2 and x sub 3 and x sub n. So this is the second program that we make the binary search this one is yun. The first function is from math import, and is to import the infinitive from the math library. Next is the function is to get the and search. Then this function to get and how many teams could qualify in the playoff. And next is to initialize a variable from binary search. And the next function is to search the non-zero probability teams that could qualify to playoffs. And the next one is to check the playoff potential. And the next function is adjusting the search range based on playoff potential. Next is to get input number to test cases. So, yan po. Next is iterate for each test cases. Next is to get input from the user. Flag error for incorrect input. N is equal to number of team, and m days of the ledge stage remaining. and K is equal to number of wins, and B is equal to top team that could qualify to playoff. So, print the result, the last function. So let's try to run the program. Yan, run po natin yung program. Input po tayo ng 5. Please input the number of test cases. Input po tayo ng 5. Test cases number 1 is 4, 2, 2, 1. Please provide the current score of 4 teams. 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. And po, the number of teams that could qualify in the playoff is 3. And test case number 2 is 4, 1, 1. And please provide the current score of the 4 team. 4, 4, 4, 4. So, yun po. So, the number of teams that could qualify in the playoff is 4. And sa test case 3 naman is input naman po tayo ng 9, 3, 2, and 1. Please provide the current score of the 9 teams. 4, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. So, number of teams that could qualify in the playoff is 6. Phase 3 naman is 5, 3, 6, 7. Please provide the current score of the 5 teams. 21, 22, 20, and 21. And 19. So, there are 2 teams that could qualify in the playoff. And sa case 15 naman, input tayo ng 3, 3, 8, 1. And please provide the current score of the 3 team. 5, 5, 6. So, the number of teams that could qualify in the playoff is 1. So, hanggang dun lang po yung program namin. So, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Thank you.